Ever wondered why your stomach growls when you're hungry? Well, let me break it down for you in a quick science lesson. You see, your empty stomach's muscle contractions create a symphony of sounds, even without food. It's like a natural orchestra playing inside you. And here's the cool part: an empty stomach acts like an echo chamber, amplifying these contractions and making the growls more noticeable. But wait, there's more. The hunger hormone ghrelin joins the performance, signaling your brain that it's time to eat and intensifying digestive activity. So, next time your stomach growls, remember it's just the orchestration of a well-timed digestive process. Stay curious and keep learning.